Here's how you factorize 6x squared minus 11x minus 10. So before you factorize, you must note that this is a quadratic expression because it's of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is a coefficient, this is a coefficient, and this is a constant, okay? But in this situation, the coefficient is not 1, okay? It is 6. So in order to solve this, we must multiply this coefficient, this leading coefficient, and this constant here. And that will give us, so 6 times negative 10 is going to give us negative 60. Now we have to find two numbers. When you multiply, you get negative 60. But when you add, you get negative 11. So what are those two numbers? So to find these two numbers, first of all, let's find two numbers. When you multiply, you get negative 60. So we can start from 1 and 60 to, negative 60. So 2 and negative 30, 3 and negative 20, 4 times negative 15 will give us 60, negative 60. Can we go further here? 5 times negative 12 will also give us 60. And we can have 6 times negative 10. So when we multiply all these numbers, you are going to get 60. But remember, from all these numbers, we have to pick the ones that when you add, is going to give you negative 11 too. So let's check which of these will give us negative 11 when we add. Oh, okay, great. So when we add 4 and negative 15, we are going to get negative 11, right? Great. So our two numbers will be 4 and then what? Negative 15. So let me clean all this. So don't forget our two numbers that when you multiply, you get negative 60, and when you add, you get negative 11 are 4 and then negative 15. So rewriting our question, we will have 6x squared. Now we have to express this 11x here in terms of 4 and negative 15. Because we know when we add 4 and negative 15, we are going to get negative 11. So over here is going to be plus 4. But remember, it is negative 11x. So we have to add x. X minus 15x. Then we add our minus 10. Minus 10. Very good. So 4 plus negative 15x will give us negative 11x. Great. So now that we have it this way, we can factorize by grouping, okay? So we have to group this and this, and then this and this. Then we factor out the greatest common factor. Okay, over here and here, we can see one factor will be x, right? And another factor will be 2, because 2 can cancel this and this evenly. So we will have 2x outside brackets. Then we will have, so 2x cancels out this remainder 3x. Then 2x goes into this remainder 2. Then we have minus. So minus, we know 5 is the greatest common factor for this and this. So negative 5 outside, negative 5 goes here, remaining 3x. And then negative 5 goes here, remaining plus 2. Okay, so always you have to be sure that this bracket and this bracket are the same. So the moment you see they are the same, then you know you're on the right path. Now we have to pick this, and then we pick one of the brackets. Then we are done. So we are going to get 2x minus 5. Then we pick one of the brackets. 3x plus 2. So when we factorize 6x squared minus 11x minus 10, we are going to get this answer.